Hello everyone, this is Tamiya and this is the Tamiya Lunchbox Junior unboxing. This is the mini 4-wheel version of the RC model. The box is a little bit bigger than the usual mini 4-wheel ones, and it has a particular transmission as well. Here you can see how it works. On the other side of the box we can see the lunchbox. It can run on 2 wheels, it can climb, and it can do the wheelies. So, let's see what's inside. This is the body that looks really similar to the bigger one. It even has the windows. And it's already yellow instead of the white of the bigger one. Of the same yellow we find the rims. Here you can see those are bigger and they have the gears for the transmission. This is the chassis. Tires. They have the same identical pattern of the RC ones. Here we have the bag with all the metal parts, the motor, grease, the gears. Here we have the sprue with all the components to build the model. The manual. Recommendation about the batteries and the stickers for the Vanessa's lunchbox. Thank you very much for watching and see you on next video.